Welcome everybody to update for SMCI for today. Remember guys, our content is just for education purposes only. We don't provide any financial advice and nothing shown here is a guarantee for profit. So let's get right to it and discuss SMCI for today because the price is going down a little bit. We're going to discuss where the price will go and what we should do from now, because we got a really good reversal the past few weeks and now we have a bit of correction. So what we should do right now, because SMCI is down almost 3%, not just SMCI, but the whole market is going down. But for now, if we go in the big picture, guys, to see clearly what's going on, first of all, guys, right now we got the earnings season. What does mean? We have a huge stocks reporting earnings for this month, and of course for SMCI is almost 2 weeks from now or next month. That's why we have a little pullback, and we might have a reversal from this pullback before the earnings. So we might have a pullback right now around the 46 and then go up again. So now we are around the 49. If we go until even the 46 is not bad, because this is the current support that we reversed from back in June and July. Yes, we consolidated here a little bit, and right now we test this support over the 46, 42. So the best case scenario is holding over this support. If we have another dip, we should hold over the 43 and not going toward the 40. This is the main support on this white line, which is the main support in the big picture over here, the 40 and the 43. But now we still holding over the 46 would be really great. In order to consolidate, then during the earnings or before the earnings next month, we might have the reversal and break the 54 right now, which is a confirmed resistant for SMCI, and go toward the 58 and potentially the 66. Let me know guys in the comment section below, guys, where the price will go. And of course we're going to discuss other stocks. Yesterday we did a really great hunt, guys, for this one, the DEVS. Yes, it was really good stock that we traded together. We already did the update for it many times for our hunters, and we suggest for exiting around the $1. If you want to have those kind of stocks and alerts, guys, the link comes section below to our Discord and Bitcoin. In the meantime, remember 30 minutes before the market open every day to discuss the market together live and respond to your question on our YouTube live streaming, and before that on our Discord and Bitcoin, like this alert that we did yesterday before the market open on Discord and Bitcoin. The link comes section below. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Support is the number one for us, guys. Just even with the like or comment below about where the price will go to MCI. Are we gonna have a reversal and go over the 54 before the earnings, or are we gonna have a pullback and of course reversal during the earnings if we have a good earnings, of course, like the last time? Thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow.